Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some lamb chops in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I've got some lamb loin chops here that I got at Safeway for $5 a pound. $5 Friday, so 1.94 pounds, they were $9.70, regular like $25. So like, well, that's a pretty good deal. I can't really pass that up. So there was 8 of them in here, and I cooked 4 of them yesterday in the slow cooker to see how they would turn out. I thought they might dry out, so I wanted to try it first, and I thought they were good. I cooked them on low so they wouldn't dry out, so it took about 6 hours or so. So anyway, I'm just going to season them on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. My salt's actually coming out today. Usually it's all gunked up because of the rain, so be a little more careful here. Anyway, I'll do each one that way and get it into the slow cooker. I put my lamb chops in the center of the pot. I also have a little bag of these mini gold potatoes. I'm going to put some of those around the edges. That's a little one, so I'll put that one in whole. This is a bigger one, so I cut that one in half. I'm just going to put a few more of those all around the edges. Maybe I'll cut up a carrot as well. I cut up a carrot and put that in there as well, and I didn't add any liquid, but I'm going to add just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, sprinkle that over the top of everything, over the top of the meat and the veggies here. Just a little, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or 2. Just kind of eyeball it here. Give a little flavor there. I think that'll make more liquid as it cooks. I think that'll be good. And then I guess I'll add just a little bit more salt and the Johnny's seasoning pepper to the top of the potatoes and carrots there. Alright, that looks good. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on low for about 6 hours. Alright, it's been almost 6.5 hours, so let's take a look at this. Well, I think this ought to be done. I said 6 hours, but it's been 6.5, so those vegetables are done. Meat should be tender there. Okay, we'll grab a plate and try it out. Oh, actually, look how much liquid that made. I didn't add any liquid to that at all. Just sprinkled in that little bit of Worcestershire sauce, but that's it. But it made probably, I don't know, a good amount of liquid on the bottom there. It smells pretty darn good. Let's see how it turned out. Let's see if I can cut it with a fork. Oh yeah, flakes right apart. Look at that. Looks nice and moist on the inside. All right. That's good. The lamb's got enough fat in it that it came out pretty moist and flaky. And that's good flavor as well. Let's see what Annie thinks. Want to try some there, Annie? Come on. Looks like she liked it. Well, that was easy. Season them up, and I let those cook for 6.5 hours on low. I haven't tried high. It might work, but they might dry out a little more, but they cook faster. So, like I said, I haven't tried that way. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.